Hey guys, before this video starts, I want to show you guys my day 14 to 14 to 17 Inktober's because I didn't record them because I'm trash. So this is 14, this is 15, this is 16, and this is 17. Shameless plug, but you can read all of this and have it all in nice, good, high quality on Tapas. The link will be down in the description. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about getting burnt out of Inktober. I was about to say October, but it's basically the same thing. So, since Inktober is a 30-day challenge, completing 30-day challenges for a lot of people is kind of tough. Like, you go into it super excited, but like a little, like halfway through, a little bit over halfway through, you start to be like, I don't want to do this anymore. And then a lot of people start to get behind in Inktober and they end up getting burnt out of just doing the same thing over and over again. And that is kind of what I'm feeling these last couple of, I was gonna say weeks, but like these days. I was getting burnt out with it being super repetitive and not being able to work on other things, and I really want to work on just like some regular ass art. Like, I want to color something in like actual colors. Like, I want to do something that's not black and white. I don't know, I'm just going through the motions with Inktober, and this is basically how it feels every year. But something else that's like burning me out is the fact that I do a lot in a couple of days, and that just burns me out, and I don't want to do anything else. So basically, my process is refine, sketch, print, ink, and edit. And editing and inking takes the most time. So basically, I do sketching and then inking for like 2 days straight. And then I'm all just sad and I'm just burnt out. I don't want to do anything. And when I don't want to do anything, you spend 4 days in bed and, not doing work. And that is why I'm always kind of behind, because I knew I caught up last week. Excuse me. And then after I caught up, I fell back. And it is the 26th that I'm recording this, and I am 6 days behind because I'm trash. So I just don't have a good enough schedule for this, and I haven't even been doing my bullet journaling for this month because I've been so stressed with fucking Inktober, and I've been getting burnt out anytime I like finish like a piece. I have scanned pictures on my computer of the comic pages that I am currently like drawing right now on screen, and I haven't even edited those because I want to just like finish everything and then edit it all together. I'm just going through the motions, guys, and this is PenguinEsk getting burnt out. And then watch after Inktober is over, or whenever I finish my stuff. You guys won't see me for like a month because I'm trash, and I'm really going through it with this. I just wish I had a better schedule. I wish I actually did my scheduling thing that I usually do on my bullet journal. But that's how I'm feeling about Inktober right now, in this moment. So yeah. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to read my comic. It is up on Tapas. The link will be down in the description. The last video of Inktober will be in the end card as well. And if you want to see my aesthetically pleasing shots, you can go find me on Instagram at PenguinEsk, which will also be in the description. Follow me there for all the nice aesthetic. And my Instagram looks so nice. Like when you scroll down, it's like an aesthetic of like red. It's really pretty. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe to the PenguinEsk channel. We do artsy videos here every Friday. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, if you watched to the very end. And if you did, you know, put some penguins in the comment section below. But yeah, bye guys.